Claude came out with an awesome feature that lets you spin up 100 agents at the same time. Question is, how does it perform in the Strait of Hormuz? Let's check it out. On Claude Desktop, we'll go for Opus 4.8 Fast and move this knob all the way to Ultracode, which chooses X high effort and also triggers workflows, meaning the subagents. Let's give it the prompt for our AI War Agents app and see how it does. The app I built uses Claude to track what's happening in the Strait of Hormuz. The challenge is pulling together a huge range of data: news, narratives, satellite imagery, social media, and official government updates. That's a lot going on. And sure, Ultracode will spin up 10, 50, or even 100 subagents to do everything in parallel. The question is, will it deliver or is it just a gimmick? First thing we notice is it's definitely burning through a lot of tokens right out the gate. We have 13 agents running, 300,000 tokens already used, and it's just getting started. At the 11-minute mark, it's burned through almost 1 million tokens and ramped up the number of agents to 42, which is the most I've ever used in a single workflow. If we speedrun this whole thing, we've burned over 2 million tokens. But the question is, how did it perform? And by the way, if you want to learn and build with AI 100% free, join AI Cyber School. I'll link it in the comments. Fire up the app. We have the timeline. It does look fully updated. Force disposition, so that's China, Russia, Iran, the US. That seems solid too in terms of updates. The major problem I faced in the past was the app would always have issues with fully updating and validating all data points. Now though, I think Ultracode is the way to go for sure. If you want to see how I built AI War Agents, let me know in the comments section. And hey, thanks for watching.